Unlocking passive income. Evolution's revolutionary approach. Evolution, as the name suggests, is a cutting-edge system that can transform your financial landscape through evolution itself. Designed with simplicity, efficiency, and newbies in mind, it provides a comprehensive solution for creating a passive income stream that can potentially change your life. The two-in-one powerhouse. Evolution's dual approach. Evolution is different from your typical digital product. It's a two-in-one powerhouse designed to equip you with the tools and knowledge necessary to thrive in affiliate marketing. Part 1. The Web Page Builder. In the first part of this revolutionary product, Evolution offers a built-in, user-friendly web page builder. This tool empowers its users to create high-converting opt-in pages effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, Evolution's web page builder is designed to meet your needs. With its drag-and-drop interface and pre-made templates, you can craft opt-in pages that are not only visually appealing but also effective at capturing leads. Part 2. Traffic Generation Mastery. However, having an appealing opt-in page is only one piece of the puzzle. The second part of Evolution's offering is a comprehensive training program that teaches you how to drive traffic to your opt-in pages. After all, having a great runner is meaningless if no one visits it. This training covers various traffic generation strategies, both free and paid, that can help you build a substantial email list. The path to success. Building your email list. Why is building an email list so crucial? In the world of digital marketing, your email list is a goldmine. It's your direct connection to potential customers, allowing you to promote products and services, share valuable content, and establish a loyal audience. Evolution understands the importance of list building, and its training program focuses on guiding you through the process step by step. A newbie-friendly approach. The world of affiliate marketing can be overwhelming, especially for newcomers. This is where Evolution truly shines. It is a newbie-friendly product and training program designed to help people achieve their first online sales as affiliate marketers. Evolution removes the technical barriers and simplifies the process so that even those with limited experience can achieve success. Creating passive income. The ultimate goal. The allure of passive income is undeniable. It's the concept of making money while you sleep, an income stream that requires minimal day-to-day effort. Evolution not only helps you achieve your first sales as an affiliate marketer but also provides a blueprint for turning those affiliate sales into a passive, recurring income. Growing your income over time. Evolution continues beyond helping you generate a passive income. It also teaches you how to scale up your monthly earnings over time. By utilizing the strategies and techniques outlined in the training program, you can gradually increase the size of your email list and, in turn, your earnings. Affordable and accessible. With such a comprehensive set of tools and training, you might expect a high price tag. However, Evolution understands the importance of affordability. The product offers a 7-day trial for just $3, allowing users to explore its features and training at a minimal cost. After the subscription costs $47 per month, ensuring accessibility for individuals of various financial backgrounds. In summary, Evolution is more than just a digital product. It's a transformational journey. It empowers individuals to take control of their financial future through affiliate marketing and passive income generation. With its user-friendly web page builder, traffic generation training, and a focus on list building, it paves the way for newcomers to succeed in online marketing. If you're looking for a game-changing solution to financial freedom and want to embark on a journey of evolution, Evolution might be the ideal choice for you. It simplifies the complexities of affiliate marketing, helping you take those crucial first steps toward financial independence. So, why wait? Start your journey with Evolution today and see how your life can change through the power of passive income. Check the description to access Evolution from the official website.